The next letter is Q. Q. Q is for queen. The queen is waving to the people. Long live the queen! What is the knight holding? It's a quilt. Quilt starts with Q. By the way, who is the knight? That's me! I'm wearing the armor. What's the next letter? R. R. R is for rabbit. It's raining now. The rabbit needs to ride out the rain. The rabbit is going to stay until the rain stops. Now the rain is gone. Wow, what is that? It's a rainbow. Rainbow starts with R. Let's see the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Uh-oh, somebody's sitting on the rainbow. Who is it? That's me. I'm sliding down the rainbow. The next letter is S. S. S is for sun. I'm wearing sunglasses for the sun. What is the shape of the glasses? They are squares. Squares starts with S. Now what shape are they? They are circles. What is the shape of the glasses now? They are triangles. What is the shape of the glasses this time? They are stars. Squares, circles, triangles, stars. Which glasses look the best? All of them. The next letter is T. T. T is for train. Who's riding the train? It's a turtle. Turtle starts with T. The train stops at the station. The train will stay at the station while we count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now we have another passenger, a tiger. Tiger starts with T. The train goes through the tunnel. Tunnel also starts with T. Who's been driving the train? That's me. I'm the engineer. I got dirt on my face in the tunnel. It's fun to run the train. The next letter is U. U. Who's standing under the tree? It looks like a horse, but it's a unicorn. Unicorn starts with U. What is this? It's a squirrel holding an umbrella. Umbrella starts with U. Who's behind the umbrella this time? It's an elephant. Now who's hiding behind the umbrella? It's me! I am holding the umbrella. It's fun to dance with an umbrella. The next letter is V.